Hey there, my name is Jaruma, and I used to be a slay queen. A slay, Papa, slay mama, slay queen, sexy tilapia. But then I started selling color knots, and I started wearing makeup, I started dressing up, I was doing everything to make you a better woman, to make you a better wife, to fix your marriage. But today I decided to give you a little bit of, this is the other side, that you don't see all the time. Have y'all seen my luxury videos, my Dubai videos, when I was a slay, you need to go watch it. I just wanted to have fun. I just wanted to make a video.